So I'm supposed to be filming a video on ADHD burnout right now, but I just realized that I forgot to do my laundry and I have like absolutely no clothes, like nothing. No underwear, no socks, no freaking shirts, nothing. There's no better time than right now to talk about ADHD procrastination. Specifically what happens when procrastination catches up with you, the fallout, and the feelings that come with it, and then what you do with all of that afterwards. Honestly, I f***ed up. And the consequences are that I have no clean clothes, which means I am myself directly responsible for running behind on my own schedule, which I'm already behind on, which I just made worse. Thanks, Melissa. The second that landed, I realize how frustrated I am with myself and all that negative like crap that's going on in my head. How much I'm blaming myself. It's so easy to like dig into the most negative thought you have about yourself and just keep digging. For me, that reaction just feels like this like tired old script, like in my mind, in my body. I know it's unproductive. I know it's not helpful, but sometimes you just screw yourself over so badly that rationality flies out the freaking window. Getting back to that place where you can actually be, I guess, somewhat kind to yourself, that can take a little while. So here's what I want you to do. What I had to just go do now. Take a beat. Breathe. Forgive yourself. Because the world already throws enough negativity at you without you joining in. And then reframe. Not because it fixes the problem. Like, I'm still behind on my filming schedule, but that process puts you in a better mental place to actually face it, tackle it, and maybe even have some clean clothes while doing it. Procrastination is going to catch up to all of us. That's not the question. The question is what you do when it does. And I really hope that this helps. If you're in a place right now that you feel you're really overwhelmed, maybe even tipping over that edge into burnout, I have a really great free resource called the Burnout Reset, and that is in the link below. And of course, I am right now in the process of filming a full series on ADHD Burnout. That's what I was supposed to be doing today. Watch the first video right over here.